At Clay Imports, the only thing we love more than making really cool products is designing really cool products. Join us on this behind-the-scenes journey as Clay Imports goes from concept to prototype to full-scale production of our newest Breeze block pattern. At Clay Imports, every new pattern starts with an idea. This is Brisa, the newest Clay Imports Breeze block. Brisa captures the contrast of the hot sun and the cool ocean breeze, mimicking waves rolling onto the shore. Our process begins by hand sketching our inspiration, and then we refine those sketches through three-dimensional drawings. The 3D drawing stage is when the idea starts to transform into a tangible product. This helps us decide if this is actually a pattern that we're going to take to production. But before going into production, Clay Imports makes prototypes based on our 3D drawings. We use printers and technology to bridge the gap between imagination and reality. Next, we use those same 3D drawings to print 3D clay prototypes. So we go from hand sketching to 3D drawing to filament printing and eventually clay. And after many months of prototypes and design changes, we're ready to take the pattern to production. It's a long journey from an idea to a finished Breeze block, and we can't wait to see what you do with it.